Assume Android contacts disappeared from your phone for unexpected reasons. It's so distressing, isn't it? After that, if you have a previous backup, you can try to regain them. But what if there's no copy, or there might be some problem with the backup files? Part 2. Fix contacts disappeared from Android with Android Recovery Tool. Mobican Doctor for Android Win and Mac is able to do the job well. It is a top-notch Android recovery software. It also allows you to browse the contents related to contacts, such as the phone number, data, before restoring. To fix all or some contacts disappeared from Android without backup, just recover them with Mobican Doctor for Android. Step 1. Primarily root your Android phone to let the program fully detect all the contacts. Next, install the downloaded program and open it on your computer. Step 2. Then, link the Android phone to the computer with a USB cord. Identify device. Follow on-screen direction. Get main interface. Tick contacts. Tap Next for scanning. Step 3. After scanning, preview lost contacts. Select. Click Recover to save on computer. Part 2. Covers some contacts disappeared from Android using Gmail. Open browser, visit Gmail on computer. Log into account. Click Gmail icon for dropdown. Select Contacts More. Click Restore Contacts. Choose Restore Time. Tap Restore. OK. Part 3. Recover lost contacts on Android via SD card. On Android, open Contacts app. Tap three-dot icon at top left. Choose Settings. Select Import or Export. Pick Import from SD card. Select desired contacts to move to device. Part 4. Restore contacts from Android with ES File Explorer. Open ES File Explorer on Android. Root for full access. Tap Search at bottom. Enter contact path. Data Android. Providers. Contacts databases. Tap Magnifier. Deep scan starts. Follow prompts to retrieve contacts. Bonus: how to prevent data loss from happening again. To fix Android lost contacts after an update or the loss of other data for whatever reasons, you'd better make a regular backup of your Android phone on PC or Mac.